Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Final one for tonight. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. This is coming from Veyfiy. It's a baby light. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Nice little new night light. Add to your kids' room, bathrooms, or wherever you need extra light. Take a look inside. We got the base right here. Everything's out. Right there. There we go. Garbage. Charger, base, USB. Right here. Take the rubber band off. Pretty long cord. We'll hop over to the computer area and plug it in. But hopefully we don't need to charge it. So pretty good length. And then now here she is. Alright. There's the bottom. That's where you charge it. And power. Ooh. That's a little candle. Oh, that's cool. You guys can see it. Let me turn off these lights. That one. There we go. Oh, that is nice. Actually looks like a real candle. And then, shoot. Whoa. That's really bright. Look at that. If you want to charge it, you just got to clip it on like that and then plug it in USB. So different modes. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Something different. And there's a candle. Just a basic white glow. That's really cool. It would be good like movie prop or like Halloween. You could probably do. Maybe you're like a nun or something. But that's really cool. You can see the candle right there. Yeah, it's lightweight too. And on and off, double tap, dimming, long press, night light, long press, power, long press 1.5, light modes, short press, 1 hour auto timer. So there's a choice you could have right around here. I know you can't see it, but there's a corner right around there. It's got press. 2, 3, 4. There you go. There's off. Boom. Bada boom. That's definitely really cool to get. So, alright guys, check them out if you need a nice little new night light. Look at that. That lights up pretty good. It's from a little distance. Zoom in a little bit more. I'll check out this one. That color's pretty cool. So, alright YouTubers, link will be down below. Like I said, that's my Amazon influencer link, so definitely check them out and click that link, add it to your cart, and if you have extra time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this nightlight candle. Really cool. Look at that. Right there. And that's That's really cool. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend, and see you guys soon.